In today's video, I'll show you how to create audiobooks using ElevenLabs so you can turn any written story or document into a natural-sounding audio narration. If you've never created an audiobook before, the idea is simple. You take written text, convert it into speech, and shape it into a smooth listening experience that sounds like a real narrator. First, sign in to your ElevenLabs account and open the text-to-speech section. This is where you'll build the audio version of your book. Next, prepare your text. It's important to organize your content into clear sections or chapters so the narration flows naturally and is easier to manage. Once your text is ready, choose a voice from the voice library. Pick a voice that matches the tone of your audiobook, whether it's calm, expressive, or more dramatic. Now start by copying and pasting a portion of your text into the editor. It's better to work in smaller chunks, especially if your content is long, so the generation stays accurate and consistent. After entering the text, click Generate to create the audio for that section. Listen to the output carefully to make sure the pacing and pronunciation sound natural. If needed, adjust punctuation or break sentences differently to improve how the voice reads the text. Small changes can make a big difference in audiobook quality. Repeat this process for each chapter or section until your entire audiobook is complete. Then organize all the audio files in order. Once everything is ready, download your files and combine them using any simple audio editing tool if needed. And that's how you create audiobooks using ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.